Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by establishing a measurable baseline so adjustments are meaningful. First, verify your spray gun, regulator, pressure gauge, hose, and compressor are properly connected and leak-free. Then measure ambient conditions and paint viscosity because they change droplet behavior. Set the regulator to the manufacturer's suggested starting pressure, typically 30 to 40 psi for many guns, and write down that initial gauge reading. Once done, you have a repeatable reference to compare after each change. Now you tune for proper atomization by spraying a test panel at 12 to 18 inches. You watch for even coverage, no heavy edges, and minimal overspray. If droplets are too large, increase pressure in small 2 to 5 psi steps. If misting or tunneling occurs, lower pressure. Make sure to adjust fan width and fluid settings after each pressure change to maintain pattern shape. Also inspect the needle and nozzle for partial clogs or wear, because mechanical issues mimic pressure problems. You finish by confirming results and documenting settings so you can reproduce the job. Spray a sample, let it dry, then measure film thickness and adhesion to ensure performance goals are met. Note the final regulator pressure, gauge reading, nozzle size, and distance. If problems persist, orange peel, runs, or poor coverage, troubleshoot methodically. Verify the gauge calibration, inspect hoses and fittings for leaks, confirm compressor output under load, and replace worn tips. One tip, swap the gauge to isolate false readings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.